normal restart in Samsung Galaxy S20. You can just swipe down notification panel and tap power icon and then tap restart. But if your Samsung Galaxy S20 hang or frozen, you will need a force restart. To force restart, press lock key and volume down in 15 seconds. Okay, let's try. Power lock key and volume down in 15 seconds. Okay, sorry, in some time. 1 2 3. Okay. This is a way to force restart, and this is can use in this is work in Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. Okay, your phone is turned on again. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.